Hi, superstars. Today we are going to talk about three profitable ways to invest your money in Nigeria this year. I'm going to tell you three ways you can invest your money in Nigeria and make money from it, make profit from it passively. This year, we are so done with leaving our money in the banks to undergo inflation with no interest. We are going to send our money on errands. We are going to make our money work for us this year while we earn passively. Yes, the three ways I'll be telling you, you'll be earning passively. Okay, you can do your 9 to 5 job and still make good money this year. So, without taking your time, let's get started. Number one on the list is stocks and shares. Okay, whenever you buy shares from a company, you become a shareholder in that company. You become a silent shareholder in the company once you buy shares from the company. We have so many companies internationally and nationally that give shares, that sell shares to people. That is, they welcome people to become shareholders in their company. All right, so you can either choose to buy shares from these companies and you make money whenever they share their interest, whenever they make profits at the end of the year or in the course of the year, they share interest to their shareholders, and this interest they share is what is known as dividends. They pay dividends. Some companies pay quarterly to their shareholders. All right, so the first way you make money from shares is by dividends, which is paid into your bank account. The next way is by capital appreciation. Okay, once you buy a share and the share increases in price, when you want to sell, you do not sell at the same price you had bought that share. Okay, a typical example is MTN. When they sold their shares in 2021, they sold at 169 naira per share. Okay, and over time, it increased. As at today, you can buy an MTN share at 169 naira. So it has appreciated in value. There's a capital appreciation, and whoever wants to sell will make money from it. So there's a capital appreciation. So that's another way you can make money from shares. Okay, we have so many companies that are doing very, very well and are listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange or the stock exchange, okay, the foreign stock exchange. Okay, so all you need to know is know these companies, and from there you can buy their shares. If you would love to know more about stocks and shares, let me know in the comment section, and then I'll make a full video on how to buy shares and get started on stocks and shares. All right, my superstars. Okay, another way you can make money this year is by investing in another person's business. You can make money passively by investing in another person's business and make good return on investment. Okay, so I know of someone who gives her money to someone who is into buying and selling of palm kernel. She says she gives 100,000 to the person, and every month the person makes a return of between 16,000 to 18,000 naira to her. Okay, so what investment would you make in the bank or anywhere that would give you 16,000 naira from 100,000 naira every month? Okay, so this person has been consistent, and that's what she gives to her every month. Okay, another typical example is people who partner with people in palm oil business. There are some people who ask for partners, okay, and people give them money, they buy palm oil stuff for them, and then they share the profits. The person who stores, buys and stores takes 30%, while the person with the money takes his or her capital with 70% return on investment. So by investing in other people's business, you can make money passively without lifting a finger. Okay, there are lots of people with great and fantastic business ideas out there that need capital to get started. Okay, you'd be amazed at the Okay, so you would be amazed at the interest these people can give you either yearly or monthly or quarterly. Okay, so all you have to do is go out there and look for a business owner or someone who's struggling to get started, who needs capital or who needs funding for his or her business, and then invest in that business, you would be amazed that that money you would have left in the bank would give you amazing return on investment monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Okay, my superstars. So it becomes a win-win for the two of you. You give the person money to get started on that amazing business idea while you make profits. Okay, the other person gets money to get started on the business while you get amazing profits, either weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Okay, my superstar. In the meantime, have you liked this video? Please like this video. Thank you. Let's continue. Okay, so number 3 ways you can invest in Nigeria is by real estate. You will agree with me that there's money in real estate, and so many people are becoming aware of investing in real estate. Okay, so I have actually witnessed with my 2 eyes how a property that was bought at 1.5 million naira in less than a year, that was about 4 months, the person resold the same property at 2.5 million naira and made 1 million naira profits, interest from that land. So there's actually money in real estate. There are also people who did the same thing and were able to sell with 2 million profits, 3 million profits, 4 million profits, depending on the location. So in your choice of land for real estate, you have to be very careful. You have to look at the viability. Is that location, does that location have the tendency to become a bustling area in few months from when you have purchased that property? And from there, you know if you should go ahead and buy, because this is what determines if you will sell out fast and at a good rate. Okay, my superstars. So lots of people are making money from real estate by the ability to see a good land that has potentials. All right, we have some amazing lands here in Akwa Ibom State. We have lands in places that have potentials. And I know of a property that few last year went for 1.5 million naira. And as at now, I even made a video on this channel. I announced and all that. And as at now, that land is selling at 2.5 million naira. It has increased in value. And a few years from now, it will keep increasing and increasing. Okay, so rather than leave that money idle in the bank, it is you could get a property in a place and in few years you resell it and then make money from it. Okay, it's better than leaving it there and every month they'll give you 10,000 naira as interest, and at the end of the year you will make about 200,000 or 150,000 as interest from your money, whereas that same money would have yielded interest of about 1 million, 2 million naira if you had bought a property. So this year, think real estate. Think of purchasing a land in a good location. And when you're doing this, you have to be very careful so you don't buy scam lands. There are lots of scam lands out there, lands that belong to the government, lands that different owners, fake owners, advertise and then make money and disappear. So you need to be very careful when you are buying a property. I've done so many videos on real estate business in Nigeria. Go and check them out, as I had given breakdown on how to start, how to know a good property, how to buy a property, the documentations, everything you need to know about real estate. I had done a full video on it, so my superstars, go and check it out. All right, my superstars, so which of these 3 investment opportunities will you be trying out? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, and which of them would you love me to make a more detailed video on? Let me know in the comment section. In our next video, we'll be talking about something really important. For those who say, I don't want to use my money and buy something outside the bank. I'm worried that I could be scammed. I'm worried that I could invest with someone and the person will run away with my money. I'm worried that I could buy a fake land. Okay, I'm worried that stocks may fail. Okay, I'll be showing you investment opportunities in the bank you can do in the bank passively. You can invest in the bank and then get return on investment, as in you make your money work for you rather than living in a normal savings account. I'll be showing you investments you can do within the bank that will give you return on investment monthly, quarterly, or annually. All right, my superstars. So keep the date. All right, till thank you for watching. Have you given me a thumbs up? Please hit the like button. All right, as this will make me know you love more contents like this, and I'll bring more. All right, and if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified of our next video. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.